Hello my little stars, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, hi, I'm Starlight and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here on my channel I do lots of different kinds of things and I'm slowly introducing even more. So today we are going to be learning how to do the Bowswains Keychain, a type of keychain made out of line that is very strong. So I'm just quickly grabbing all of the supplies that I'm going to need. My two different colors of line, a pair of scissors, a keyring, and a lighter. So you can pick any two colors of line. I'm going to go with pink and blue. Okay, so you're just going to want to cut your line. I don't normally measure it, I just kind of eyeball it. But you do want to make sure that you have a good enough amount of line to work with and that your two pieces of line are the same length. Okay, so now we are going to get into how to begin the keychain itself. So to get your two pieces of a line on the key ring, you're going to want to put the ends together, create a loop, place the loop on the back of the keychain, pull the line through. But make sure that the inner piece of line is shorter than the outer piece, because that's going to make up the center of the keychain, which does not need to be as long as the outer pieces. So I'm going to show you nice and close with the blue line here. If you feel the need to pause and follow along or rewatch, please do so, as it will make this step a little bit easier because it can be quite difficult. Okay, so you can see I have the clipboard here. I am going to put the key ring into it. It just helps to keep the upper part of the keychain from moving. Okay, so now I am going to actually start the keychain. So you're going to thread the pink line underneath all three pieces. You're going to take the blue line, keep it over top of the middle two, and feed it into the hoop you made with the pink line. From the loop of the blue line, you are going to pull the pink line up and through. Then pull those two ends tight, and it should look like this. So once you tighten it all the way as high as you can, it will then look similar to this if done correctly. All right, again, pink goes underneath, blue goes over into the hole made by pink, and pink is pulled up through blue and pulled tightly. I'm going to show you this knot a few more times, and then I'm going to give you the background on the Bowswains knot and what it is used for in the Navy. So the Bowswains belt is a handmade belt out of some long pieces of line that is used to carry objects like multi-tools, flashlights, things like that. It is worn by the oldest and most highest ranking cadet or just Navy personnel on board. So you make it, and depending on your rank is whether or not you get to wear it with your uniform. Okay, so now that the keychain is done, we are going to burn the edges and finish it off. So these two center pieces I'm going to cut a little bit shorter, and then I am going to melt the ends with a lighter. If your line happens to catch fire, do not fear the fire, just blow it out. Because the moment you fear it, that is when you will have issues of losing control over the fire. So, once you've got the ends of your line warmed up, I use the blades of a scissors to bend and mold them down to avoid touching them and burning my fingers. So I'm going to cut the two other end pieces, melt them, and burn them around on the sides as well, making sure that they are nice and stuck to avoid having the keychain come undone. With that, our keychain is done. I bet your keychains all look wonderful, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Goodbye!